This is your shot to open it. Who's here today?
See your eyes so that I can focus.
That's the thumbnail.
We'll take photos for sure.
All right, let's see what you sorry girls have in you.
Is that artwork?
No, that's a TV. Stop looking over my shoulder. I have so much work to do.
Yeah, go. Hi everyone, my name's Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we are the Sorry Girls. Oh my gosh, it's a different little set we got going on.
And today we're doing a very fun collab. So you guys always ask us for advice on what you should do in your rooms, how we would make them over, any advice that we have.
We get a lot of emails.
We do, and I actually love getting them, but I can't respond to all of them. And plus, I feel like I need a little bit of extra expertise help to do something like that.
Maybe we do. So we pulled some strings and called up our old friend and HGTV star extraordinaire. We actually met him a little while back.
I think 5 years ago we met when we were little babies.
Little babies.
Starting our YouTube career.
Low-key convinced me to quit my job and do YouTube full-time. So you could argue that we're here because of him. Maybe, I don't know. But please welcome Scott McGillivray, who's gonna help us make over your rooms.
What's going on? Making room on the couch, right in the middle.
Join us.
Whoa, this is cushy.
I know.
It's quite great.
Wow.
I know, we're gonna just fall in together.
Is that the first time you've told them that we all kind of know each other, or what?
Well, for those that listen to our podcast, they may have heard that story, but I don't think the Sorry Girls main channel knows that.
Now
oh my
you
gosh,
guys
well,
know.
welcome to the real world behind the scenes. We've been in communication, we've gone out for lunch.
Yep.
We've talked turkey, and so finally we get to do something together. I'm happy. I'm happy that your fans are writing in. Come on, bring more stuff. Maybe we'll do more of these.
And you're a YouTuber now.
Well, come on, don't give me that much credit.
What do you got going on? Tell people a little bit about yourself.
Well, we do, I'm still doing the TV shows. I kind of like the authenticity of what we can do on YouTube. So we've been doing a digital series on YouTube now. This is our 3rd season that we're launching called Scott's House Call.
Yes.
And it's just a fun, like, one room, one day, and we sort of throw everything we have at it. So we do things like backyard makeover, bedrooms. We've even tackled kitchens and bathrooms in a day. It's super ambitious.
Yes.
And each season, each project gets bigger, just like you guys. I remember at the beginning, it's like, here's how you put a cactus in a pot.
A very useful tutorial, by
I don't like that.
But then, like, recently, I see you guys, you're like, we're gonna make over our whole backyard. I'm like, they're encroaching on my territory.
Coming
here.
for
like
you.
You are.
If you guys like what we do, you should definitely check out Scott's channel because it is similar, but maybe a little bit more on a bigger scale.
I feel like I got the low spot here. There we go. Here we go. You guys know how to do this. Here we go. So what are we gonna do?
Okay, so we have 3 rooms that you guys emailed to us that you need help with. So we have some tablets here that we are gonna draw on top of and give you our thoughts on what we think you should do in your room.
You're gonna get professional makeover advice from all 3 of us. That's pretty bomb.com right there.
That's pretty good. So we've got 2 tablets, so 2 of us might tackle a room at a time, and the 3rd might give their advice on maybe who did it better.
Yeah.
What?
All right, I'm gonna let you 2 start.
Okay.
Okay.
And I will be the judge.
Is this what, whose room is this?
I gotta pull this.
Okay, I don't know what's happening in this room right now, but I have so much work to do.
Do you want to take this guy instead?
I will do whatever you guys want because I got bad news for you.
You're gonna do it better anyways?
Absolutely. Do you want me to do this with my eyes closed? No.
Bring in the blindfold.
Sorry, not sorry. That's what we're doing with the Sorry Girls.
Okay, so your first makeover is Erin. She says, help, my room is boring and sad. What should I do with it? I just moved into my new place and I'm at a loss as to how to personalize my space apart from the furniture I brought over, especially my big empty wall behind my bed. I also feel like some of my current pieces don't really go together, so a way to make my room seem more cohesive and a color palette that complements each other is something I'm looking for.
Wow.
So I think I might give you guys, like, what do you think, a minute?
Do we talk about this or do you just want, like, is this a
I want you to
secret?
go for it and then, like, share your project with me.
Wow.
I wish I could delete everything here. I don't know. I'm sorry, Erin. I don't mean it that way. You have some very cute things, but they don't fit in this room.
Do you want me to give you 90?
I can totally make
I feel
over
like
a
you
room
kind
in
of
60
I
seconds.
feel like you, in a day, more like 60 seconds.
60-second room makeovers. Send them in. We'll make it over.
Okay, your 60-second counter starts now. Is that copyright free music?
Well, sure, I hope so. I just singing. Oh, what's wrong with singing?
I feel like I need to be a sports reporter.
So-
oh, Scott coming in with the lamps.
Coming in, I'm
Wait,
starting
don't
it
tell
with
me
a
what
lamp.
you're doing.
Starting it with a nice little lamp there, and then I'm feeling a headboard, something that goes up high because that wall is super naked, right? And then maybe a little whoop royalty in the middle,
Woo, woo, woo.
and then down the other side. Don't want to get in the way of the bed going on here.
You do have to replace the E though, I'm gonna say.
Don't get me into that because my middle name is Aaron, and it's Aaron, like Aaron.
Hey, Aaron. over
Hey,
here.
Aaron. All right, we got a nice bed here, and there's something nice at the bottom here, a little table as well. We only have 60 seconds, so I'm only gonna draw 6 pillows. Tufting.
Pillows.
Oh, in
That's
3,
ambitious.
What?
2,
Stop yourself right
and
now.
1. That is time up. Pens up. Hey, sir. Pens up. Ooh.
I had to get the extra lamp in.
Oh, jeez.
What
I
else?
feel like there's more I would have done, but okay.
Reveal your room to me. What do you
think?
got here? Blank.
Let's
All
hear it.
right, so I think I underestimated the 60 seconds. However, I'm thinking a larger bed, like a queen size bed, because number one, your life is better with a queen size bed, and do a big headboard, something fabric with tufting,
Yeah.
because that'll kind of just like boom, anchor the bed in the room, center it, nightstand on either side with a lamp, nothing too crazy, maybe something a little bit mirrored, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then what I was gonna do like a little makeup table over here, just by the window. I thought
Yeah.
like another spot you could sit at a desk or a makeup table.
We love a makeup table
love
by a
that.
window.
Okay, here's what I was thinking.
All right.
Holy cannoli!
Wow.
Center the bed as well. Do a little kind of like fun headboard that's maybe a little bit royal inspired.
Oh, a little whoop.
Whenever-
That's more than a little whoop. That's genie in a bottle.
It is. It really is. I want to put the E kind of on the wall because I'm guessing it's her room. You know, let's label it. This is her bed. And because the purple is kind of giving me a little bit of princessy vibes, I want to do a big canopy hanging from the ceiling to go over the bed.
Also inspired by TheSorryGirls DIY,
Yeah.
just saying.
And then put 2 kind of nightstands on either side to set the whole thing, like you were thinking.
We're pretty much on the same page. You went a
like it.
little more royal. I went a little more sophisticated.
Yeah, that's true. So, Aaron, either one of these, hopefully it spawns some kind of inspiration that you can make over your space.
Absolutely.
Okay, should we move on to the next one? Pass
Let's-
this down?
Let's move it on. Saving sketch. Oh boy, that's sketchy.
Okay.
Oh, is this the second room? Here we go. Yeesh. Holy smokers. You
Okay, whose
serious
space
right
is
now?
this? What do we got?
So your second makeover is Amanda. She says, "Hi, my name is Amanda. I live in Orangeville, Ontario, in a historical 2-bedroom coach house.
Ooh.
This is my living room, and what I want to change about it is that it doesn't feel open. It's dark and it's very limited on seating. This is our main entertainment hub and hangout area, and we rent our house. Any suggestions would help."
Ooh.
Wait,
Oh.
sorry. I was half listening. She needs to make it more open.
Yeah, it doesn't feel open. It's
She's
very
a terrible
I was
listener.
working on this.
It's Amanda, who lives in
Amanda.
Orangeville. She lives in her coach house because she rents out the main house. It doesn't feel inviting, and it doesn't feel open. Do I need to repeat everything for
You're
you?
doing an excellent job. Yep, got it.
Like I could see in your ear, and there's a circus in there, but it's just one clown on a unicycle.
He's doing an okay job, or she. Okay. Who has a timer? What were you timing this on?
Oh, stop with your timer.
yours.
Let's just do a
60
good
seconds
job.
on the clock.
Just do a good job. I want you to do both, okay?
Wait.
3,
Right now.
2, 1.
Okay.
All right.
This is a disaster. I wish I could erase things.
You can draw over
I am
things.
stressed.
I'm so
Okay.
stressed.
I'm seeing a rectangle.
First, I don't like the color I'm using. This is a real issue. I want ink brush and I want color. Oh, that's what I want.
a little blue.
Well, that's more blue. Here we go.
uh.
OMG, what have I selected
You
here?
asked for the ink brush. Is that artwork?
No, that's a TV. Stop looking over my shoulder. You're making me nervous. We're having technical issues.
How much time do I have?
I wish this made more sense, but all right, we do that, and then we do something like this.
Okay.
Stop looking.
Am I
over
not
my
allowed to
shoulder.
look? I'm judging
No,
here.
me.
All right, you guys got 10 seconds left. All right, guys, pens up. What are we doing?
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Okay, who wants to present the design for the living room or the media hub?
Okay, so
Wow.
for my media hub,
Okay.
I'm doing a large TV stand, that's what we call it, I almost forgot for a second, with a TV. You can mount it or you can just put it on top of the TV stand, depends on your skill level. If you can upgrade the TV size, I think that would be ideal too if this is an entertainment zone, but you don't have to. Obviously, I would love if we added some plants. And I feel like, are these DVDs? Because We don't use those anymore.
Even worse, it's VHS. You won't know what that is.
Well, you know what? We can put those into our entertainment unit because I think that this unit is taking up room. It's making it feel more cluttered. I think overall, I love that you're using the wall space and adding art on the wall, but I think we could tone it down a little bit. So I crossed out some of the pieces just to like.
She tried to erase as well.
Yeah, tried to erase. I just like simplified it a bit, or even here on the gallery wall, we could do just like less photos to keep it more simple. And then you do have the couch there, which I totally understand. I don't see you getting rid of your couch. Like, you need that.
Are you still drawing?
I'm trying to.
Excuse me.
I'm just trying to.
I think that you could do maybe like 2 big comfy chairs instead of the couch because it does take up a lot of room and if you need it to be more inviting. But you could also leave that there, add some floor cushions, which I drew here in my little sketchy circles. But that was my idea. If you kind of bring it down low, keep it to the floor, keep it all cozy. I can't really see if there's a rug, but if you add a rug too, that'd be great.
So you're basically keeping the layout, changing the furniture. TV's still on that wall.
Yeah.
I like it. I like
And
it.
brighten it up with
Feels
like
good.
some plants. Maybe less stuff on the wall. But overall, I don't think you're far off. You got this.
Yeah, it's not far. I think the struggle here is that I don't know where these rooms lead to. I
Right.
feel like there might be like a bathroom or something around that corner, or a bedroom. So what I'm imagining is this is the kitchen because it's super bright. I kind of went with 2 different ideas. I got this weird like airbrushing situation going on. So,
Which I thought was artwork.
which is fine. But I think this wall needs to be cleared. Just get rid of everything there. I actually moved the TV to the back wall so you can see it from the kitchen.
Oh, smart. I
I
like
feel
that.
like when people are in the kitchen, they're kind of seeing the TV and
Yeah,
what's going on over there. It makes you feel like part of the party, even when you're like doing prep work.
Yeah.
Smart.
So I did 2 sort of loungy chairs on this side with a table in between, so you can get around this a little
Yeah,
more, and
yeah.
that
Makes
was
it
really
feel more
blocking
open.
you off. Yeah. And so across the back, maybe just a big piece of artwork, 1 piece, not a 10, 20 pieces, to anchor that wall.
Yeah.
And if there is room, you could put something underneath, maybe a love seat or like a console, as
Yeah.
you were thinking.
Right.
So
right,
to me,
right.
I'm just sort of moving the focal point to a place where everyone can enjoy it. Again, I don't know. I gotta come check it out. Let's go to Orangeville.
Sounds good. Road
Let's go
trip.
to Orangeville.
Yeah, I hope that helps, Amanda. I think these are both good ideas, but I love the idea of changing up the layout.
That's really
I
neat.
didn't think about that.
I love the fact that you're renting out your house and you're living in the coach house or carriage house there. That's a
cool.
brilliant idea.
Yeah, income property, right?
What? Yeah.
Okay, so we got one last place.
Okay,
This
it's
is
up to
gonna be
you
Sorry
guys.
Girl versus Sorry Girl, and Scott's gonna judge, which I'm feeling extra pressure right now.
I'm feeling judgy.
Oh God.
Okay, and the last makeover is Maddie. She says, "Hi, this is my apartment living room with my sad attempt at decorating. I wanted an eclectic look, but I have no clue how to achieve it with the ugly fireplace. Please help."
You guys are in for trouble.
Oh boy. Do you have like an obvious thought? I mean, don't tell me, but
Nope.
This is a living room.
Did she say it's a rental or not?
It doesn't say.
Are you going with it's a rental or not rental?
No.
that didn't really factor into my decision.
Well,
Why are you gonna treat it differently? Why
Because-
You talking about painting?
damn it.
why you gotta discriminate against rentals?
Because if it's a rental, maybe you can paint the fireplace. Or not.
Absolutely. No, you can.
You can.
Absolutely.
Even if it is a rental?
You gotta just ask for permission.
Okay, it is a rental, but your landlord says that you're allowed to paint.
That's awesome. All right. Let's see what you sorry girls have in you.
Yeah, go? Go.
Channel your energy. Timer is going.
Okay. Oh god.
If we have the same plan, it wouldn't be the first time.
Oh
Something
yeah.
tells me you guys think alike. Ooh. Eee. Choices. Whoa.
Scott!
Do you like design old age homes or something? What is happening over here? Sorry, continue.
What is that?
So
It's like
offended.
a retirement community being done over here. I should.
I have this in my house. What are you saying?
It's very nice.
Wait, what did she need?
She needs some suggestions to
Okay.
make over the room. If she knew what she needed, she wouldn't need us.
Oh my god, my thing just stopped writing.
You're out of bandwidth, maybe. Well, it doesn't matter because you're down to just a few more seconds. 8,
I didn't draw enough plans.
7,
I didn't draw any
6,
plans. Shoot.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hands down!
Let's see what you got.
Okay, so I feel like that was a faster minute than most minutes. Okay, so I assume that this couch sitting here is the same as this one.
Yeah.
Right?
So for symmetry reasons, assuming it's not gonna block the door too much, I wanted to put it on the other side
Yeah.
of the couch so that they're facing each other.
Okay.
And then put a really nice big wooden coffee table in the middle, maybe with like a nice tray and some candles on it. That's a candle, by the way.
Is that a
Wasn't clear.
candle?
Those are 3 candles.
Okay.
They're better than your birthday cake candles.
Stop immediately.
So I just think it'd be nice when you see the fireplace. It might look less random if the fireplace was kind of the center focal of what the living room is. And then I'm not sure what the tapestry art is, but if you love it, keep it. But I'm thinking maybe replace it for some art that has a frame that's a bit more structured.
I'll bet you they're hiding something, like an electrical panel or something random.
That's
so
true.
Maybe if
I
you
mean,
start
tapestries are in, but I feel like it's too fine of a detail for me. Like, it looks a little bit more sheetish, less like
looks like
art.
a bed sheet.
It does.
Because the pattern is so fine, but
Looks like total sheet. It's a sheet.
you are feeling
Okay,
judgy
what do
today.
you have?
Okay, so my idea was paint the fireplace, give it a nice fresh white. This is
Bonus
also to
marks.
my style. Like, I don't really know what their style is,
Okay.
but I feel like this could be eclectic. I was thinking of putting like a big circle mirror above the fireplace, some
Very
plants
nice.
above it, and then I even like that little butterfly art. It's kind of like one we did on our channel.
Yeah.
Becky. Like, you could make more of a gallery wall above that couch. And I didn't change the layout. I just crossed out some of the
I
blankets.
was wondering what those X's are.
There's too many blankets, so I was like, we should like put them in a little basket. That would be cute, but I don't think they need to be all over the place. If we had some plants, and then I love curtains instead of blinds. Just a personal preference. It kind of depends on.
You
Like,
could have both.
you could have both. I just
Yeah,
think
that
the
looks
curtains like warm it up. Textiles warm it up. So I think that having the curtains on there, and then Scott was wondering what I was doing with the curtain on the door, but I have a curtain above my door in my bedroom.
Yeah, but you
And
did
I-
the pinch, the little
Because
pinch.
I
in the
tied
middle.
it in a knot, and it looks so like effortlessly chic.
No, but I love the curtains. That's smart because I feel like the space above the window feels a little like too much.
The window
Yeah.
looks naked because it doesn't have any trim or window casing,
That's
right?
right.
Yeah,
So without window
absolutely.
casing, you must do a window treatment.
Yeah.
So bonus marks over here.
But you have
Definitely.
such good bones in this space.
Yeah.
Like, you can do so much with this space.
I love
so.
the color palette that's going on already too. It's very like neutral and calm.
Yeah.
I like that a lot.
Exactly. All right, Maddie, I hope any of those ideas work. Take from it what you will. We also have, lots of videos on our channel that could inspire you. Scott's channel.
Absolutely. Come check it out.
Yes, go give him a subscribe. Maybe tell him we sent you. That'd be so fun.
I want to see that in the comments, so put that in there. And now send in more stuff for us to get judgy on and to give you some ideas. And next time we're going to have more than a minute. How about that?
Yeah, I like
Okay,
that.
fine, yeah.
5-minute makeovers.
Yeah, we'll up it just a little bit. And then we also filmed a video on Scott's channel where we do some more challenging things.
It's
because
pretty
gosh.
fun.
It's a challenging day.
It's super random. Check it out.
All right, we will see you guys next time.
Yeah. Oh, that's my cue. If you like it.
And if you love this video, make sure you sub it.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See ya.
Hi guys, welcome to the End Slate. Wanted to give Shelby a massive shout out for recreating this boho headboard that we made from dollar store items only. I'm assuming she did the same thing and it looks so good. The entire bedroom aesthetic as a whole is to die for. Awesome job. Keep sending us your DIY recreations on Instagram using the hashtag SorryGirlsSquad.